Hi, this is Mike Sheldon with Air Engineers, and this is Tech Tips. Today we're going to be talking about compressor replacements. When you have a defective compressor, you've called and ordered it, and one of the things that the inside sales guys are going to ask you, they're going to ask you for the model and serial number of that compressor. Right here is where it's at. Take your phone, take a photo of it. That way you've got it in case you need it again. When the replacement compressor comes in, some of the things that you should look at before you install it is make sure there's no damage to the compressor itself. Either one of these tubes are damaged, call your inside salespeople and request a new compressor if you can't make a repair on it. Also, look at the feet. Make sure there's no damage at the feet. One of the most important things you can do is to inspect the data plate on the new compressor and look against the old compressor that you're replacing and make sure that they are the same part number. Now, if there's a discrepancy in that number, call your inside sales people and make sure that they have sent you the right compressor, because some of these compressors have superseded part numbers. So they may be a little bit different. There's tremendous amount of data on this data plate itself on the compressor. One thing I want you to pay especially attention to is there is one spot in here that talks about the capacitor. Now, this compressor takes a 40 microfarad capacitor. The one that's in the machine may not be a 40 microfarad capacitor. So you need to make sure that what you have in the machine is going to match that compressor. If not, you're going to need to get a new one and replace it. Make sure it matches that compressor. If you check these things that we've discussed, you may save yourself from installing the wrong compressor. And this has been Tech Tips with Mike.